Hi guys! 안녕하세요. 보리스 코리안의 보리입니다. I'm Boli from Boli's Korean. Today I'm going to talk about the sounds of final consonants called 받침 in this video.
Hello, I'm Boli and it's Boli's Korean.
But hold on a second. Do you know what 받침 is, by the way? To understand 받침, the final consonants, it is very important to understand the types of Korean syllables. This content was already covered in one of the previous videos, so if you are interested, please click the link and check out the video. Again, there are two types of Korean syllables as the table below shows. In the second type, the last consonant letter in red is called 받침. And because there are quite a lot of content and rules related to 받침 sounds, I will deal with 받침 through a couple of videos from today. So this video is kind of the first one of the series. Anyway, the first and the last consonants in a syllable have some differences. So now let's take a look at the characteristics of 받침. We've already learned in the previous video that 19 consonants are used as the first letter in a syllable, right? However, for 받침, there can be a total of 27 consonants or combinations of consonants, 8 more than the first letters. The 27 consonants for 받침 can be divided into two groups again. Group 1 is just the same letters as the first consonant, just 쌍, 디귿, 쌍, 비읍, and 쌍, 지읒 cannot be used as a final consonant. In the case of group 2, two different letters are combined to make a pair. They are called 겹받침, 겹받침 in Korean. And here, 겹 means things like laid over, piled up, and staked, etc. Since there are 27 letters, it looks a little too much, doesn't it? But don't worry, when you make the sounds of these letters, you only have to remember the 7 sounds. 7 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! What does it mean that 27 letters have 7 sounds? This means that several letters make the same sound. So look, these are the 7 sounds or ways to pronounce 받침. And as the chart below shows, all of the letters are pronounced as one of the 7 받침 sounds. For example, the letter 지읒 used as a 받침 is pronounced as 디귿. However, some of these 7 받침 letters make slightly different sounds from those used as the initial ones. I divide them into 3 groups to make it clearer. Group 1 makes the same sound, whether they're used as an initial or a final. Let me read them twice, each syllable. 난, 난, 넌, 넌, 눈, 눈, 는, 는, or mom, 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 mum, 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 mum. Group 2 makes a different sound when they are used as a initial. Group 2 make a different sound when they are used as a final. In the case of consonant lir, it makes this sound when used as an initial, whereas it makes this sound when used as a final. To be more specific, the tongue needs to slide down a bit the ceiling of the mouth to make the initial sound. Like when we say Roma, Roma, Roma. But the tongue just touches the ceiling of the mouth right behind the front teeth to make the final sound. Let's take 달, for example. 달, 달, 달. Since there are quite a lot of Korean learners who are confused about the difference between the two sounds, I made and uploaded a video that you can practice those sounds with more specific examples. So if you haven't watched it, please click the link and be the master of real sounds. Consonant ing is also like this. The consonant ing only acts as a filler that makes no sound in the initial position. But when used as a finer, it makes sound. So shall we read it together? 강, 낭, 당, 랑, 망, 방, 상, 앙, 장, 창, 캉, 탕, 팡, 항. Easy. For group 3, basically the consonants in this group sound very similar when they are used as an initial or a finer. However, the sounds of these consonants are plosive when used as an initial, like 가, 다, 파. But they are not. They are not plosive when used as a finer, like 각, 닭, 박. So today we've gone through all the 7 sounds 받침 letters make. In the next video, I will deal with the rules related to this, which explains why the 27 letters have a specific sound as the table below shows when used as a finer, 받침. Of course, it is totally okay to get used to the 받침 sounds without understanding the rules. But if you think that understanding rules help your language skills as I do, please look forward to the next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!